Hi, in this video we will install Redis on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS version. To start with, let us open a terminal. Press Ctrl Alt T to open the terminal. Then I use Tmux, so you can also try it out. Just once you have, I'd like to keep a split window, so if you're Emac user, it's very simple. Now let's just update everything once. Won't take much time. Just helps us to keep everything fresh. Okay, looks like all the update is complete. You can see there are few things which can be upgraded, so let's just complete that part. Okay, these are the ones which could be upgraded. We'll upgrade them later maybe. And now let's just install the Redis. So ask you, so can say that the following additional packages can figure out all that just by reading it. Just say yes and enter. Won't take much time, will be done in a jiffy. We can say Redis tools and servers, etc. Pretty much quite a lot of things are supporting things are implemented. Now let's just test whether it's working by typing redis-cli and just typing. Oh, that's all. That's how you install Redis on Ubuntu.